What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be going over two trades I took today. One of these trades was a huge gainer for me. Another one was a beautiful trade on options that I called out live inside Team Bull. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's talk about the options trade I took today on SPY. Now, my level on my watch list, I moved this a little bit from pre-market. My original level was like 370.1, but we showed strength during pre-market, and I was looking for a nice pullback. The closest area I could see that, for a possible bounce was this 372.1 area, this area of confluence support as well. I took this trade right at the bottom of this candle on the 5-minute time frame. One thing I noticed, volume was dying out, the selling volume. If you was watching the 1-minute chart, you can see some buyers stepping in. So I got an early entry, and I called my entry up through voice. Got in right here, had a nice move up, trimmed up in this area. My final sell was right below this 374. Worked out really nicely. Did exactly what I wanted it to do. See, it was struggling with that 374 area, so I went ahead and locked in profits because the buying volume was dying out. Another trade I took today, this was on futures. I called this one out inside my channel, the exact bounce area, which was this 3,700 area. It did pull on down to, like 3,697, which is, it's an area. It's not an exact number. My first entry was at 3,704. My last entry was right at 3,700. Had a beautiful push up. I trimmed going up. My final sale was at 3,715, a 15-point move. It doesn't look like a lot looking at it right here, but if you've traded futures or traded ES, that's a huge move. I couldn't ask for a better day. Everything went to plan. 2 winning trades. Very happy with my execution. Members are making money. I'm making money. What else can you ask for? Been getting some really positive feedback on that account building guide. People saying that video is just like having a one-on-one with me. It's a pre-recorded. I appreciate all that positive feedback. If you can think of a video that would help you out, like a YouTube video, feel free to let me know. I'm always open to suggestions when it comes to that. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.